bus stop there. That's not a bus stop. Weird. Last time I looked, how did they change it? I was waiting to corners up, waiting to catch time, start early. Decided doing it here. Waiting, taking a break. Usually they do here and run over to the ferry building to go to the bathroom or get something at the coffee spot. Since it's an express commute bus, the wait can be longer depending on what time of day it is and how many people get on. Alright, so it took me 12 minutes to get here without trying. Alright, so I guess I'll make a loop. And then go back home. Should be enough time. Test.